First one, we just need to write down what the radius is. The radius is always half of the diameter. Here the diameter is 10, therefore the radius will have to be 5. The second part, they give us the formula already. We just have to do pi multiplied by r. So you just have to do pi and then multiply by what r is. R is 5, we know already from the last part. And on the calculator we get 15.707 and so on. So when you round that off to the nearest meter, which they want, that gives you 16. Use the theorem of Pythagoras to work out the value of x. Well, Pythagoras, one of the sides is 10, one of the sides is 5. We're just going to start by squaring the sides. Now, if it's the long side I'm looking for, I'm going to add them. If it's one of the short ones, I'm going to subtract. So it's this one here, it's the x here that we're looking for. Therefore, we're going to subtract. So 10 squared is 100, 5 squared is 25. We subtract them, that gives us 75. And my last step then is to square root the 75. And I get 8.7 when I round it off to 1 decimal place. That's my answer. The angle A is marked. We need to know that sin is the opposite over hypotenuse. So from A here, this is my angle A. The opposite from A is the one across from it, so it's the 5. So opposite is 5, and then hypotenuse is the long side. That's 10. That's all we need to do there. And then the next part, we just need to do sin inverse, because we're working out is we're moving that sin across the equal sign. Therefore, I need to do sin inverse of 5 over 10. And you just put that in the calculator, and I get 30 there. So 30 degrees. That's all for that question then.